How to install hardware into door panels. Tool 1. Tool 2. Stud. Retainer stud. Step 1. Place stud with the head down on the corner board hole on the jig. Step 2. Place panel door with the corner board facing up in the jig, lining the stud with the hole and press in until the door panel is flat in the jig. Step 3. Insert retainer stud into tool 1. Step 4. Press retainer stud into tool 1 using tool 2. Step 5. Place tool into the stud. Step 6. Press in with tool 2 until retainer ring pops into corner board. Done.